Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method isnumeric. In Python, the isnumeric method returns true if there are only numeric characters in the specified string. Otherwise, it will return false. The syntax here for the method is the string underscore object followed by dot isnumeric with opening and closing parentheses. For the string method isnumeric, there are no parameters. And the string that we'll work with here is the variable fact underscore table with the string in data warehousing. A fact table consists of the measurements of a business process. We'll run this just to return the output of the string. And we can see here, this is the string that we're working with. So we'll start off with the numeric characters check. So we'll check if the fact underscore table variable string contains only numeric characters. And we'll print is the fact table variable string only numeric characters followed by true or false. And then we'll chain the variable fact underscore table with isnumeric. So we'll run this and we can see here that this is false. So return false because the string no numbers, but also because the string contains white space and punctuations. Now we can also check here for alphanumeric string check. So we can create a variable here called alphan underscore string with the value 123 Python, and we'll print is the string 123 Python only numeric characters, true or false. That is numeric, and based on the output here, this is false. Right, so this is false because of the alphabetical characters. And this can also be checked for strings with a leading white space. So we'll create a string here called with variable name lead underscore number underscore lead underscore space underscore number with the string value where there's a leading white space followed by 135, and we'll print is the string 135 only numeric characters, true or false. And so this here, based on the output, returns false, right? So return false because of the leading white space. And this check can also be extended for trailing white space. So we'll create a variable here, trail underscore number equal to 135, followed by a trailing white space. And we can print is the string 135 with the trailing white space only numeric characters. And so this here is also false. So return false because of the trailing white space. And so lastly, we can also check here for any punctuation or special characters. So we'll create a variable exe underscore string equal to 157 followed by the exclamation mark. And we'll print is the string 157 only numeric characters, And so this, for this particular string here, it is also false. So return false because of exclamation mark. So examples of valid strings is strings with only numeric characters. So that could be just one number. So we'll create a variable called single_number, which equals to the number 5. And we'll print, is the string 5 only numeric characters? And so here, this is true. All right, so strings with a single number, this is a valid string which contains only numeric characters. And this can also be extended to a string with multiple numbers. So we'll create a multi-number variable with the string 539, and we'll print the multi-number just to see the output here. So 539, and we can print the check. So is the string 539 only numeric characters? True or false? Multi-number.isnumeric. And so here, this is true. So this is also a valid string that contains just numeric characters. And so this check can also be extended to Unicode strings, where the Unicode contains just numeric characters, but also exponents. So we can create a string output here, which is a Unicode number, 1771, followed by a superscript 3, where 1 is equal to, in terms of Unicode string, is 0031. 7 is \u, followed by 0037. And the superscript for 3 is \u, followed by 00b3. And so we can print out each of these output just to see and confirm the Unicode output. So Unicode output for 1 is \u 0031. And we can also print the Unicode output for 7, which is \u followed by 0037. And then lastly, for the superscript 3, (0030b3). And so this is the Unicode output for each of the components. So 1, 7, and then superscript 3. So we can now create a variable called Unicode_num, which equals to the string number here. So \u 0037. We'll repeat this 3 times for the beginning, followed by a 1. And then we'll close it off with a repeat for these 4 numbers. And then wrap this at the end with \u 00b3 for the exponent. So this is the numeric superscript. And so this is the number here, the Unicode output that we're working with. And we can check, right, print, is the string, this string here, only numeric characters? True or false? And we can see here based on the output that this is true. Right, so return true, where string only has numeric characters, But even with the exponent here, which is a number, it also returns true. So this is how to use the isNumeric method in Python to check if a string contains only numeric characters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.